In my video today, I'll be showing you how I decorated my porch for summer. My name is Andrea, and if you haven't been here before, welcome to Andrea's Kidney Transplant Life. This is a quick overview of how I did my porch. I tried to use summer colors, whites and blues, and pinks and yellows, and just to make things feel airy and summery. On my door, I have a eucalyptus wreath, and the eucalyptus berries were yellow, so that kind of helped give you the feel of summer. Beside my plants, I had a chair put together with a really nice magazine to flip through as you're sitting and enjoying the summer breeze. And before I go any further, I wanted to ensure that I mentioned the Summer Porch open collaboration hosted by Marlene's How To's and co-hosted by JMom Creations, Deborah Home Living, Cutty's Succulents, Penny's Lifestyle Living, and me. So on my porch, I put together a nice little area where I could sit and drink a nice glass of lemonade and enjoy those beautiful petunias, pink and white. They look so flush and beautiful. And I do enjoy watering them. I just want to remind you guys that you don't have to water your plants every day. You can do it every other day or every 2 days. Beside my petunias are my begonias in a beautiful pot from my local store. And just a reminder that when you buy pots like these that doesn't have a hole at the bottom, you could put holes in there so that the water seeps out and it doesn't get your plant rotted or waterlogged. In the pot beside my begonias, there is a ton of ginger trees, plants just popping up. When you get your ginger from the store, if it starts to sprout, you don't have to throw it out. You can just break it off and stick it in the soil, and it will really flourish in good soil. Right now you're looking at my pansies. They're not summer plants, but they're really doing well. Some of the things that I do to ensure that is when I use my kitchen vegetable water, I'll pour it in there and give it nutrients. This morning when I woke up, I saw this beautiful moth on my door, and I just enjoyed it so much I had to take a picture. I hope you love it. And my gladiolas came out, and it is so lovely. That really rich pink color just makes you feel happy, you know? Sitting there and enjoying your lemonade and enjoying the wind. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and if you want to go ahead and hit the notification bell twice just to make sure that you don't miss any of my videos. In a little while, I'll be changing the name of my channel, so stay tuned for that. Right now, you're looking at my table that I made with my lemonade. It was really easy to make. I got all the parts from my local dollar store, so that was really inexpensive to do. And the eucalyptus wreath, I just made some additions to it. I added butterflies, to make it just summery. And, butterflies are all around pollinating stuff in the summer. So it's really fun to put those cute touches on your wreaths. In my future videos, I'm going to be doing a lot more cooking, and I really enjoy doing that. And I hope you will take the journey with me and try some of my recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.